These are bomb shots submitted by you guys at home, okay? Let's check your homework, see what you've been up to. Pumpkin pie bomb, okay? Perfect for Thanksgiving. So we start off with some whipped cream vodka. You're going, wait a minute, guys. Thanksgiving is no time soon, really. A little bit of goldschläger. Come behind that with some rum cream. And then we follow with some pumpkin pie ale. And you just drop that in. You guys, these were submitted on tipsybartender.com, but you gotta say a name so we know. So this is the Beetlejuice Bomb. Sour apple pucker in one of our shot glasses. Followed by some cherry vodka in the other shot glass. I don't know why they call this Beetlejuice, what happened? And then some Monster. Green Monster, okay, put it in there. Beetlejuice, okay, all right. Kayla Nunley, hey Kayla, good stuff. Monster Hot Apple Pie. Let's see what this Monster Hot Apple Pie is. Oh, goldschläger. Goldschläger makes another appearance. Look at the gold flakes in there, okay? Goldschläger, for the man who has it all. But can't afford real gold. Okay, so then some more Monster. And we drop it in again. Oh, Sergeant Matt Borgula. Thank you, Sarge. Patty bomb. So next up, we go with orange liqueur. Thank you, Sarge. Appreciate that submission. Come behind that with some blue curaçao. Can you all hear all the sirens in the background? I doubt y'all could hear it, but dude, so many sirens as we make these videos. Energy drink. We live in LA, you know? I mean, it's a siren city. All right. And this was submitted by Kathy May. Kathy May. Bomb, 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 bomb. Beautiful.